Well, still looks the same, kinda. But I'm slowly working on it. I ran all the stereo wires. Still gotta hide everything. Gotta put the carpet in the trunk, I guess. Figuring things out. Made this useless thing hold up the floor instead of the spare I don't have. Just figuring out all the electrical stuff on this thing because it's so damn old school. Just figuring out all the relays that are huge and everything, and the clock wiring and oil pressure wiring for the dash, and separating the engine harnesses. When we put this in, made the mounts kind of haggard, but it didn't fit right the first time. It sagged. So I don't know. You think I should straighten it up a little bit? I think it sits pretty decent. So we'll see. So I gotta make the pipes. I'm keeping all the stock junk. Just for now. Until I get a Haltech. And we got a nice little redone under hood light. Everything's all new. So I was gonna make this look a little prettier somehow. Wire it in. Make the intercooler mount. Get a big trans cooler to put in there. Some of you might have noticed I still have a clutch slave. That's for future use. Right now I'm just keeping the stock Aristo Auto Trans. And gotta run some power wires to the alternator and starter, and not very many to this, like 9 or something wires to the crank. So we're getting there slowly. I got the old school rad. The old school rad I'm gonna use, and 2000s Fusion intercooler. The wheels, I should have bought them in the first place. Now they're $3,500 for the ones I want. A little out of my price range now. So we'll see. I want the long champs. I'm going to slam it a little bit. And then I'm going to take this off once it passes the safety. Then I'll get the 240 style bumper on the front. This thing's not really a gem, but it's going to be pretty decent to cruise around and go to work. So, yeah, the big giant auto shifter. Man, that thing, it's going to get you. Guess I'm filming it the wrong way. Didn't even notice. So I'm going to hack this in. I can't really drop it down because the drive shaft's right there. But it's only going to be for a year. Unless I hook up the paddle shifts and enjoy that. So you never know.